out because if army
Please
is
give me the answer of the case of Kapurthala. Sir, I have not get my answer of the Kapurthala case.
Sir, we like army areas a lot and we used to capture the army areas, and if we capture that information and we post on Instagram or Facebook or
So yes, that is totally
then that
wrong,
information
na?
may leak
That is
and it can
yeah.
lead to terrorist
But at the place where
defense
food
of
is
the army.
But at the place where food is being cooked, it is nothing personal. You can definitely visit that.
Okay, in your house that there is a kitchen in which food is prepared. But if you want to go to the kitchen, then there will be not the guest room and lobby, and
Yes.
if you don't have eyes to look like
Yes,
this,
yes.
you can, bro.
Sir,
But
I have
I-
not get my answer about the Kapurthala case, and second one was the Agni League.
Yes, please.
Army, yes, sir.
What was your
Kapurthala
Kapurthala case?
case, I already mentioned that the army officer up to the rank of the colonel and brigadier are corrupting to take a bribe and to give a job as a army officer. As their compared
Yeah,
to
so
them.
politician must do that. Politician
So,
has right.
No,
How everything is
army
to
person
politician?
is- army
You know
person
this.
is
It is a personal choice.
So you know
Take
that
money.
It is
service
a
selection
personal
code.
choice and why politician
My
is
question
not
is
seen?
that
Tell me.
brigadier was doing job.
Politician
What was
must
the
remove
definition?
na.
What was the name of that
Politician is responsible.
Army of lieutenant.
If you become a thief, suppose,
What is your
suppose,
responsibility?
suppose, listen to
I
me.
will-
Suppose
No,
if you become a
no,
thief, if you
Army
become a thief,
self-conducted is SSB board.
Listen to me.
No politician is included.
Listen to me. If you
Yeah,
become a
yeah,
thief,
right,
now listen to me please. If you become a thief, if you start stealing money from any other house, then your father is responsibility to beat you up. Okay? Then that same way, politician has a responsibility to beat that officer. Beat means remove, eradicate.
So
seal
where is
that
your
person.
moral value? So where is your moral and ethics value?
And in the
So my question is, where is your moral and ethics value as an officer? You are the
So
officer.
yeah, that's
I
what
am
I'm
the-
saying, na. That's what I'm saying. In our country, murderer also live, doctor also live. So we can't remove murderer completely, but our responsibility is that we should we should just punish murder. We should give him death sentence.
Murder or murderer?
Murderer,
Oh,
yeah, murderer.
what
So,
will
so
impact
listen to me,
more?
listen to me. The best we can do with a murderer is that we can give him death sentence. The same way, if someone without ethics and without moral values is allowed is there in the army, then the maximum a politician can do is sue him, remove him, give him punishment.
So you know
So
about
that's
the
what
court-martial.
that's what
Court-martial.
politicians should do, na.
You know
Listen to
about
me.
the court-martial.
That's what politicians should do, na. So politicians are responsible. Yeah.
You know the
Here
court-martial.
debate ends. Politicians are responsible.
Do you know the court martial? Do you know about the court martial? What is court martial in army?
Court martial.
Yes.
No.
So you need to collect a knowledge on that. In the
No, you can tell, na. You can tell.
because I will tell the most of the court martial is the lack of court, where those army officer or the soldier do corruption. They will
So if they
do
do
punishment.
corruption,
Listen,
politician has responsibility.
why most of the case?
Everyone against me only.
Sir, let me complete, sir.
Something in which
Why
I
do
Sir,
you
let me
think
complete.
everything is political?
Sir, let me complete.
Yeah.
Sir,
It is not a
Whatever you are doing.
It is your
Hear,
responsibility.
hear him
Hear me
out. Hear
Sir,
him
let me
out.
complete. In the
Hear
court
him out.
martial, there is no outside politician is included. There is no other judge. The judge of is in the court martial is army judge.
Yes,
But
yes,
there
yes.
is no connection. So you will say the politician. How can you say that is politician?
So tell me any case where the
There are
corruption
thousand many
have-
cases.
Yes, so one of case you must
Like
remember.
this recently Kapurthala case.
So Kapurthala case is in front of us, na. You got a court martial.
Yes.
Tell me any case of court martial, na.
This is also included in court martial.
Now Kapurthala case is okay.
Is
If,
recently
okay,
I
if you are
was
saying
present
you are
because
saying
it
that
is-
that court martial is
Yeah.
as much head done. If that is as much head done, then how the hell that case could come out in front of the people? That case came out or not? Tell
So
me.
why
Oh,
this is
oh,
the question, na?
Raw.
Why
Do you
are
know
we-
raw?
why are
R
we-
and raw. Do you
I'm
know
not
R
talking
and
about
W?
raw. The court martial case will
No, listen
never
to me. Do you
open
know-
in the
Yes.
future. They only say that in the headline, 2 officers are court martial in on the 25.
Do you know
that
R
day.
and W?
Only.
Listen to me. Do you know
I'm not
raw?
talking about R and W.
Arre, I am talking about, no, but I am talking about that. Tell me, do you know about RAW?
Yes,
Do you
I
know
know.
about Mossad?
Yes.
What are the
What are
Mossad?
the agency of the Israel?
Israel, yeah.
Israel.
But
Secret.
Israeli agency was not allowed in Sudan. Yeah, it happened in Sudan or Uganda, I guess.
Uganda.
In that,
Yeah,
operation conducted, but that was not allowed in that. But anyhow, they reached there. So the same thing must be done by politics, that they should have establish, they should establish a connection to raw and say that you should like invest into the army, that what is going inside. So why the hell politician is not asking raw for to do help?
We have a
Tell me.
RNW,
Army itself
and
has-
CID.
Why
That's
why
all
not
the-
asking? Why politician not asking raw to help? Raw can go anywhere.
Bro, army itself have the each and every right to remove anyone, to assign anyone. They have the each and every right. Like if it is if they find corruption in themselves, so they fire
Yeah,
them.
they right
They punish
there,
them.
right?
But why they didn't? Why you just blaming
Because
politics?
that's what I am saying. Okay, listen to me, na. I am saying that if I am stealing money of someone, then my father has fully right that he
So why
must
are you
beat me,
taking
kill
personal
whatever,
father?
whatever.
Why
Listen to
are
me,
you
na.
taking
Listen to me. Why you must understand by this condition. So I am saying that if anyone gets to know that there is a corruption in the army, then. Now, if it is impossible for a politician to reach in the deepness of the army because they are not allowing, okay, they are not allowing. But raw is a thing which can go anywhere, which can reach anywhere. So, if politician knows that something wrong is happening there, then why the hell politician is not
Because-
establishing a connection to raw that go and research
Because-
in the army?
because-
Listen to me, go